Hi, good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Jinky Magnasi Puli, 37 years old, from Tagpangahoy, Tubay, Agusan del Norte, Philippines. My educational attainment is high school graduate, 5 flat in height and 68 kilograms in my weight. I am a single mother in 2 kids' daughter. And their ages is 10 years old and 17 years old. I have 5 years experience as domestic helper in Doha, Qatar on one employer. I serve 6 members of the family. 1 couple, 1 elder 70 years old grandma, 1 newborn baby 6-month-old girl, and 2 younger kids 4 years old boy and 7 years old girl. My job and responsibilities is cooking, cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing, preparing the food, marketing, and taking care of the babies. We are 3 domestic helpers in one employer, and my main responsibilities is taking care of the baby. I sing also a song with the kids in Twinkle Twinkle Little Star every time I lift them to sleep. Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, how I wonder what you are. Please, ma'am and sir, let me to work in Hong Kong with you to provide my family needs and the future of my 2 kids. I am a honest, hardworking, and trustworthy. I am happy to work with you, sir and ma'am. Thank you.